All right, today's lesson is lesson 2, subtracting integers. The homework that goes along with this is page 6 and 7 in your packet. It's all the same. Now, yesterday we talked about adding integers using the number line and rules. Today we're talking about subtracting integers using the number line and rules. Let me tell you, the first thing you're going to do when you are subtracting integers, you need to change them to add the opposite. So we're changing it to an addition problem. You never, ever, ever touch the first number. The first number stays the same. Use the opposite operation. So it's subtracting. The opposite of subtracting is adding. And then the opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. I always say, make 2 marks. Change it to add the opposite. It will always be 2 marks. Add the opposite. Then you do it just like we did yesterday. Positive 2, so I start at 0. I go to the right 2, plus negative 3. I'm at 2, and I'm going to go left 3. I end up at negative 1. Subtract 4 minus 3. Now, mind you, 4 minus 3 we all know is 1. But we can change this to add. The opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. So, start at 0, go to the right 4, plus negative 3, go to the left 3, and I end up at 1. Change this to add the opposite. Do not touch the first number. Change that to adding. What's the opposite of negative 6? Positive 6. That's our 2 marks. So, negative 5 plus 6. So, start at 0, go to the left to negative 5, and then add 6. So, I go back to the right 6 units, and I end up at 1. Okay, let's do this one. Negative 4 minus 2. Change it to add the opposite. There's our 2 marks. So, negative 4 plus negative 2. So, start at 0, go left to negative 4, and plus negative 2, I'm going to go to the left 2 more. I end up at negative 6. All right. So, same exact thing with the rules. Change it to add the opposite. Make 2 marks. And then follow your rules of adding. So, 8 minus 13. Change it to add. The opposite of positive 13 is negative 13. Here's our 2 marks. 8 plus negative 13. They are different. So I subtract and take the sign larger. Negative 5. Once you change it to add the opposite, you follow the rules of adding. So, this, negative 10 minus 7. Change it to add the opposite. Make our 2 marks. So, plus negative 7. Negative 10 plus negative 7, they're the same. Add and keep the sign. Negative 17. 1 minus negative 2. Change it to add. The opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. There's our 2 marks. 1 plus 2 is 3. Negative 10 minus negative 7. Change it to add. The opposite of negative 7 is positive 7. Negative 10 plus 7, they're different. So I subtract and take the sign larger. Negative 3. Add the opposite. 16 plus 2 is 18. Change this to add. The opposite of negative 4, or positive 4 is negative 4. So negative 10 plus negative 4 is negative 4.